On this video, I want to explain to you on how you can sort your savings with customer cloth. Some person have been asking me, sir, you thought about paying yourself in another business. How do I pay myself? I don't know how to pay myself. Is the money not my own money? I thought about paying yourself in another business. Check my video in YouTube channel. You will see the video there. Watch it and learn how to pay yourself. On today's video, I want to explain to you now on how to sort your money, your salary to customers cloth. Yes. So let me explain. Once again, this is Palm Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and then share it to those who need it. Yes. So let's go. When a customer comes to your office to patronize you, if the customer bought 10 cloth and you wash one cloth of 500 naira, that 10 cloth equivalent to 5,000 naira. From that 5,000 naira, you now structure it now. 10% is for your own self. Remove 1,000 naira from that 5,000 naira. 1,000 naira is your own money. Keep it somewhere. You get. Remove another 1,000 naira again. Keep it somewhere in another account. That one is for miscellaneous, for fuel and detergent. 3,000 naira. Put it in your normal business account. That one is for your base account there. That's how it is. If another customer come again and brought clothes of 3,000 naira, remove 500 naira for your own personal account. 500 naira again for miscellaneous account. That is for fuel and detergent. And then 2,000 naira remaining is for your base account. You get. That one will now, that one that they have, that is you have 7,000 naira now. Let's say in a day, all the money that came to your office in a day is 30, 20, 50,000 naira. So, to remove the big money from it once, it will be affecting to you. You will be thinking here and there, you know. But as the customer come and they pay, some customer comes and they pay instantly. Some people will come after 3 days, will come and take the clothes and they will pay. However it is, as the money comes, what you do, remove your own account money. Remove another money again for your detergent and your soap and your fuel, and the other money for your business. If you want to help anybody, your friends, your colleague, you want to show good, you want to flex yourself, that money that is in your own, so that money in your account, that one you use. You don't go and touch the money for your business and then the money for fuel and this and that. You don't touch that one. When somebody asks for money, you first check that your account. Say, I don't get money or I don't get money. They will not kill you. But the thing that we are doing now, you will not begin to say, after I need to take it, you now shoot one hand. This one, and this one. And everything finish. We want to pay storage. We know how you pay your storage. How you pay your money for feeding. How you do all of this. You see, you have already exhausted the money. I don't have emergency fund. You see it now. So this caution will help you as a beginner. It will look, see, I understand you. Yes, for the beginning, it will look strenuous to you. See, you know what? Your body is always made to adapt to society situation. It will fully adapt. Your body will adapt to situations. It must fully adapt. I bet you. It will adapt to the structure you gave to it. Just as if you are fasting, your body will fight you out of it. But after 1 to 3 times, your body will adapt to your structure. So this thing also adapt also. It takes discipline and responsibility. When you are disciplined, you will be able to breathe. And you will thank me later that I gave you this advice for free. Structure it like that. Don't go and do it bigger way. You know, when we say you pay tithe to God, 10% tithe to God, if you have 10 million naira now, will you pay 1 million naira to God as a tithe? Or will you go and do it will the money big go. But if you master the ability of 1,000 naira come to your hand, you remove 100 naira. 2,000 naira keep to your hand, you remove 200 naira. 100 naira keep to your hand, you remove 10,000 naira. You see, to remove 1 million naira will not be hard for you. You see, but if you don't have discussion from the beginning, from the foundation, it will be hard for you. That's why it is in this discipline art. Discipline yourself also, and it will help you. Once again, this is Palm Sunday Academy. If you like this video, If you love this video, like it, share it, and then give us a comment in the comment section. As I said, we'll come and give you a feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Pastor. We love you. Bye.